Hi, my name's Cooper, so here we have the trash pack. And I bought it at Beaudesert, and I really love the trash pack, and I really like it because they're gross, and there's over 90 to collect. And they're really fun games and stuff to play. So look at the back. These are all the trashies that you can see. And these are all just really special ones. So now I'll open it up. Here's a two-headed dude, but I have one of these and it's purple. And here's a brown garbage tote. And I have one of these, and I'm not sure what the colour I have at home, but I'm sure it will be different. And here we have the big. So here we have a little can that we can see which dressing. So here's one double that I already have, and it is Grotty Bot Fly, and it's a double. So I'll put the doubles over there, and so let's see what else I can get. And here's the Ferrero Fridge that I've been always waiting for, and I seriously love Ferrero Fridge. My friend Tyler has a Ferrero Fridge, and he likes Trash Pack too, and it's a new one for me. And I love Trash Pack, but I might just tell you now. I don't have this one, and it is like a chili or like a onion or something, and I don't have it. So now we have the big bin now. Broccoli I don't have. It's an awesome a crocodile! I've been waiting for this, and his name is, it's a blue one, and I don't know his name, I can't read it.
That's alright.
And I don't have this one, and I have a blue one of these, and I don't have this, I have a white one. I have this one, and this is my fourth one of the double, so I'll just put that over there, and I don't have this one.
Open up so we can see him. Hold him up to the camera.
Mommy, can you please open this one?
Got it?
Nearly got it, nearly got it. And I got it now. I'll just get these two out of the bins and I can show you. And I love the broccoli, dude, that I don't have. This is my first broccoli. So there we go. And we have a collect this book list. Let me just stand that up for you, Mummy. It won't stand.
Me too.
And this is like a wash-up pot. And I can see where the broccoli is on here. There it is. And I think this is grub pot. There it is. Can I have you choosing this one? Oh, and I found the grot pot on here. See where it is? That's the grot pot right here. And here's some sort of crop, dude.
Can't see because of your fingers.
There it is. And that's my last one. I just thought I would show you the video of my trash bag that I'm opening. And so bye.